Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, that is the political development of 20th century. It is the last lesson in history. Okay? So, before 19 the First World War took place between 1914 to 1918. So, before 1914 there were many countries who were fighting with each other to establish colonies and acquire more territories and become powerful, like England, France, Russia, Germany, Italy, Austria Hungary, etc., USA, and there were many other states. So their intention was to occupy more geographical areas and make that areas as their colonies and establish their rule. So at that time, the First World War broke out between, and each countries were divided into two groups. They were Triple Entente and Triple Alliance. So the countries which belonged to Triple Entente was England, France, and Russia. Triple Alliance was Germany, Italy, and Austria-Hungary. So what was the main cause for the First World War? See, the Prince of Austria, named Archduke Francis Ferdinand, he was invited by the King of Serbia, and this king or the person killed this Prince of Austria and assassinated him. So this became the main cause for the First World War. So in the process of the war, what happened is, so this between the Triple Entente and Triple Alliance, when the war was going on, it was going on okay. But USA, the United States of America, became neutral. It did not join either the Triple Entente group or the Triple Alliance group. And Italy, which was in Triple Alliance group, later on joined the Triple Entente group. So by the time in 1917, there was a revolution took place in Russia on November. So because of that, Russia entered into an agreement with Germany. Russia entered into an agreement with Germany. And later on, all the three, that is Triple Entente groups, that is England, France, and Russia, forced Germany to sign the Treaty of Versailles, and thus the First World War ended. Okay, Treaty of Versailles. So there the Germany leader was Hitler, and he in an insulting manner he accepted that the Treaty of Versailles was signed on 1919. 1990, Treaty of Versailles. So because of all this, these were the cause of the war, and thus the war ended. So what were the result after the war? Germany lost most of the geographical areas, means most of the places belonging to Germany was taken over by Entente group, that is either England, France, or Russia. Then to establish peace in a nation, League of Nations were established in 1919 to prevent future wars. Then the German industrialist. So in Germany, the other industrialist group who established their industries and they were rich, they exploited the unemployment and negative economic growth. So as Germany lost the war and most of them were not in a good condition, this industrialist invited these unemployed people, gave them work, and they and utilized in the form of exploitation of those people. Next, this this aided means this German industrialist exploiting the unemployment of German people, aided means helped the growth of dictators. So like this, the people of Germany, became dictators, and one of the person, Hitler, became the leader, or he became a dictator of Germany. The last one is the arms manufacturers of France. Arms means weapons. Those who manufacture weapons of France, England, Germany, and USA made profit out of this. So these countries, because of this war, by selling their weapons, they made more profit out of this. So this is about the First World War, children.